to garden, having a garden caddy that you can use and be able to take with you around your house. But I'm also thinking too, even on the go, like if you were going over to a friend's house to help them garden, grab this, because your gloves, your tools, everything you need will all be right here. And oh yes, it's also a seat as well. Do you see how the bag underneath that actually unclips? So if you didn't want the seat, you didn't need to bring it with you. If you didn't want the caddy, you wouldn't need to necessarily bring that with you either. But look how you can use both, because not always having that bag right underneath is the most convenient. You may want to take it with you. This is a clearance price of $31.99. You're saving $17 by picking it up here today. I love that you can hang it, but the only thing you need to choose is what color would you like. This one up front is our rose, so it's a nice rose light pink. In the center here, we have the tofu, which is going to be more like a white cream color. Then this is the gray, and that's definitely a light gray. And one more on QVC.com, we have the navy. The navy is our most limited option, so I would not wait on that one. Well, my good friend Ashley Smith is joining us. Ashley is bringing us PS Home and has for quite a bit. Problem Solution Home. Ashley, so good to see you. Thanks for being here.
Good to see you. You have all your friends on today. I mean, is there anybody on today that's not your friend?
No, you're not kidding.
No.
Like, literally, I am friends with every single person that has been in this show today. This has been great.
I'm like, they're friends with him too. They're friends with him
Yeah.
too. Everybody loves Justin.
Yeah.
Justin's friends with everybody. But yeah, thanks everybody for having me. I had the navy here, so us together, Justin, we have all the colors. So PS Home stands for Problem Solving Home. We're all about finding solutions to those everyday problems around your house. We designed this not only to be, functional, but also portable, that you can take it and move it from room to room. You can hang it up on a wall, slide it under, a bed if needed for storage. But it really is that two-in-one design, as Justin mentioned, that instant stool. It's going to be about 13 inches off the ground and then by 16 by 11, as well as that pouch that you can use while you're seated or as Justin has it taken off. In the front, Justin, there are 3 pouches, and then we also have some elastic on that too. That is to have like this, so the tools don't fall out as you're transporting them and carrying them.
Smart.
On the back side, we have designed a pouch that is like, you see how it's like circular, like half moon shaped?
Yeah.
That's so that while you're sitting on the stool, you're able to access the tote. And then, Justin, my friend, if you could show them the top of the tote, you also have another zipper that if the tote is off the stool, you can enter it that way. So 2 ways to enter that same pocket. If you want to sit there and put like your weeds in this bag and then transport them to, the trash can, as you have your tools in the front with those 3 pockets and the elastic.
I'm loving this for multiple reasons. You've truly thought of everything. I get why it's PS Home Problem Solution, because yes, when you're using this and you're sitting on the bench itself, you do want to be able to get in there and easily put something right in front. That's where that half circle design is. If you're taking it out like a little tool bag, you want to be able to get onto the inside. That's why we have that front zipper, like Ashley said. You want to be able to garden in a cute color, and that's why we have the rose for you. But there's 3 other color options as well: tofu, gray, and navy blue. Now let's talk about the seat. The weight capacity on here. What is our weight capacity for the seat?
250, Justin. So that's a lot of
great.
weight. Yeah, and as Justin said, not only just gardening, he knows I have a ton of kids, maybe at the soccer sidelines or fishing or even just down to the beach. It's super lightweight. I don't have an actual weight on it itself, but it's lightweight to transport. Some seats are big and cumbersome, yet it's going to hold up to 250 pounds.
It is a lightweight seat that's super sturdy and comfortable too. Even just me, this is the first time that I'm sitting on it. I can totally see how this is easier to be able to get in and to be able to garden, to be able to weed while you're sitting with this. And then that pile of weeds, what do you do with them? Oh, well, I'm just going to open up the zipper here and I'm going to put them right into here instead. And so it's super easy for me to be able to garden, pick and put them in here. And then this attaches on the inside of your seat too, Ashley, which makes it even better. But
so you really have a 3-in-1 design, right, Justin? You have them together as 2. You have that stool or seat separately, and then you have the tote that could be either attached or separate. So great 3-in-1 design. And you're sitting, thank you for sitting down on that, because we really have designed it at the perfect height, which is 13 inches off the ground, for you to be comfortable to, be able to sit down and garden at the same time, or maybe even use this to like mop your floors or something so that you're not on your knees or cleaning throughout your house.
Idea.
Maybe you put cleaning supplies in here, right? And you can just transport it from room to room.
I totally would use this to take to like a baseball game. I would totally
Yep.
use this in that scenario where that little bag that's underneath isn't necessarily gardening, but that's where I'm putting my snacks instead.
Snacks, man.
And when you get to the baseball game, you have everything there. But I mean, in all seriousness, you look at this and you can use it in a multitude of different ways. It's designed with gardening in mind. However, it can be used in so many different scenarios. Being able to clean out your garden bed as you're getting ready in just a couple of weeks to start doing your spring cleaning, you are going to wish that you got this if you don't pick up on it today. The reason why you pick up on it today is because it is on a clearance price of $31.99. This should be closer to $50. $49 is the price tag that you would normally pay for this, but we took $17 off of the price and put it on an easy payment plan of just $10.66. So that's actually so nice that for $10.66 a month, that's all it's going to cost to be able to bring this home. You can use the bag right underneath by keeping it underneath and attached, or you can remove it and bring it with you throughout the garden as well. Can you remind us who PS Home is?
PS Home is problem-solving home, right? So we're trying to fix those issues around your house. We did it even so that you could fold it down, collapse it nice. You could hang this on a wall, slide it under a bed, put it in a closet. No assembly required, except you just have to simply open up the seat.
I love that when you fold this up, it is going to fold nice and flat, and so it is easy to be able to hang in your garage if you would like to. So that's another like bonus points for being able to put that into there. Truly, every component of this was thought of. It clips in so easily, so I'm just going to snap that right back into place. If I want it to be attached, you certainly can do that. It's going to come to you all attached, ready to go, so you can get your gardening started this spring and get a jump start on your spring cleaning. There we are. Now I'm all set. I'm all ready to go. Clearance price of $31.99. Here is your rose, which is the light pink. There's the tofu. This is the gray. And then we'll show you the one that Ashley had in front of her. That was this one right here. That is the navy, which is our most limited. So don't wait for that. All right, Ash, good to see you.
Thank you, my friend.
I'll see you soon. And she was right. I've got all my gardening friends here with me in this show today. This next item, speaking of friends, you're going to want to bring your